Always first at the finish line. First to the plate when it's dinner time. First to escape when this shit goes down and these motherfucking clowns finna finish mine. Flow too real, hit 'em with a rhythm rhyme. Temps on cause it's cold in the winter time. I'm a boss, yeah, you know that I'm finishing. Got the money in the bank like it's intertwined.
S'enchaîner l'un et l'autre et nous laisse tous deux épanouis, enivrés et heureux, entraînés par la foule qui s'élance et qui danse une folle farandole. Nos deux mains restent soudées et parfois soulevés, nos deux corps enlacés s'envolent et retrouvent tous deux épanouis, enivrés et heureux.
It's been a really good day, I would say. I really like the tracks. It's everything natural, fresh.
It was pretty cool overall. You know, the tracks, when we walked them, there were a few sections that I knew they were going to be really fast, and some others I didn't really know what to expect, and at the end everything was just super good. It can end up being such a good racing for Sunday. We'll see how the weather plays out and how rough it gets with the normal enduro race tomorrow, but I'm excited, so let's go.
Really heavy day in the mud, a lot of mud. The first two stages were completely full of mud, really slippery, and overall during the day the sun was here and it's getting better and better, so it was still slippery, but actually it was really fun to ride. We just have to wait until Saturday to do the training of the power stage, and so we will see how is it on Saturday.
We're just looking at this tricky section of the track, which, yeah, I mean, at the moment it's kind of grippy, so we'll see about tomorrow too. You know, if it rains, it might change a few things, but yeah, just looking a little bit, probably being one of the last ones to go, so we can look a bit more and see how it goes.
Young Frenchie, 808.
Man, this was a really hard race. From the physical side, it was super hard with the battery management to make it from stage to stage. And on the other side, the tracks was with the weather conditions so hard to ride. Overall I had 3 crashes. Somehow still finished in 7th position, which is not too bad, but honestly I'm not happy. I wanted to go for a podium this time. I felt I'm fast, I had fun riding, so I'm not too happy, but it happens, huh?
So the result is quite not what I was looking for, but overall I had some good stage at the end of the day. It was a bit more drier and I could find a bit more of a flow with a 2 top 10 and a good power stage for once, just 2 seconds back, so I'm pretty happy about this. It was, I think, more a learning race in the mud. We never had this in this condition, so for sure I'm a bit disappointed about the result, but overall it's just another step forward for the next, and we stay focused for the rest of the season.